If you've ever wanted to make YouTube videos, but you hate being on camera, these 5 AI tools are gonna help you make faceless videos so easily. Just a little spoiler, the 4th and 5th options are my favorite by far, and they blew my mind. There are so many benefits to faceless YouTube channels. I think they scale really well. You get to maintain your anonymity. It's gonna be made easier with AI now that we have all these tools to help us create videos, and YouTube is not penalizing YouTubers for creating videos with AI. The first tool is CapCut. CapCut is free. It's powerful. It has a ton of AI features, including the AI avatars, where you can just replace your face with an avatar. It'll mimic your motion. This is a great way to go faceless, and it's built into the app. It's not my favorite. It's just the one we've all heard of. So let's go to a few lesser known tools. The second tool is Veed, and it's browser-based, which is one of the biggest pros. So you don't need a certain computer. You can just literally type it in the browser, veed.io. I love Veed because you can create videos with AI and caption and do all the things, but you don't need software. You can just use your browser. The third one is Runway ML. You can input your face and turn it into a cartoon or any character. This is incredible. If you don't want to show your face, Runway generates videos straight from text prompts. So instead of using the same stock AI visuals, B-roll that everybody else is using, you can create your own. The fourth tool is literally crazy. It's called Ellevon Labs. So it's mostly an audio platform, but it helps you clone your own voice, narrate a video, or even create your own background music. This is what those people are doing on TikTok. You know, when you hear those like fake country songs on TikTok and you're like, how are they doing that? I think they're using Ellevon Labs. The songs you can create in like 4 seconds are mind-blowing. It is crazy. So it's gonna give you custom music for your channel that you can use.
Subscribe to my YouTube, come along, hit that.
I told you, it's really catchy, okay? Finally, the 5th tool, which I'm most excited about, is called Edit with AI, and it's rolling out from YouTube itself. It's very exciting because it's going to be built into the app. I think this is going to rival CapCut a little bit. On TikTok, their big edge is that you can just edit in the app using CapCut's features, or you can jump back and forth between TikTok and CapCut and kind of interchangeably use them. Well, YouTube doesn't have anything like that, and so they're kind of creating editing features that you can do in the app to create content. The Edit with AI feature, turning long form into short videos, that's going to be the most powerful thing. I recommend you don't fly into using all of these tools, but try mixing a few of these tools together, and I think you'll be really surprised on how easy it is to make faceless YouTube videos. I hope this was helpful. If it was, give it a thumbs up. I make so many videos on video editing every 2 weeks, so if you like that type of content, subscribe, and I'll see you in 2 weeks. Bye.
Subscribe to my YouTube, come along.